Here's the latest update on the ongoing construction along the Awka-Etiti to Nnokwa Road. And today, we begin right at the boundary between both communities, the section that is still awaiting its final layer of coal tar. This is the part 2 recording of the ongoing construction of the road that connects Nnokwa and Awka-Etiti. I am standing at the boundary between Awka-Etiti and Nnokwa. To my left is Awka-Etiti, and to my right is Nnokwa. So come with me. Let's dive into the ongoing construction of the road linking Awka-Etiti and Nnokwa. Thank you. As you can see, construction work is still actively ongoing here. The foundation and earthworks are in progress, setting the stage for the full asphalt coating that will soon cover this stretch. But as we move further into Nnokwa, the transformation becomes even clearer. Large portions of the road have already received coal tar, giving residents and commuters a real taste of what this modern roadway will look like once completed. The progress is especially visible approaching key intersections, from the busy Idemili junction to the popular Center Nnokwa. These segments are fully completed, providing smoother access for motorists and restoring confidence in road travel within the area. Now, this is a popular intersection called Idemili in Nnokwa. This road project isn't just about transportation. It's about connection, development, and opportunity. A well-constructed road boosts economic activity, makes movement easier, strengthens trade between Awka-Etiti and Nnokwa, and supports growth across the entire region. For both communities, this is a major step forward, a visible sign of progress, and another example of how development is shaping a better future in Anambra State. We'll keep bringing you updates as this project unfolds. If you want to stay informed about road infrastructures and development across Anambra, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. More updates coming soon.